Today, I'm turning a hollow wooden Easter egg from natural beechwood. This project is a bit more involved, because the egg opens and has a hidden space inside perfect for chocolates or any small Easter surprise. I start with a cylindrical beech blank. Beech is a great choice for this kind of project. It's strong, turns cleanly, and the grain looks beautiful once it's finished. I begin by shaping just a rough outline of the egg, enough to establish its overall size. Once the outline is set, I divide the blank into two parts. Now I'll move on to shaping the bottom half of the egg, which is still mounted on the lathe. First, I create the small rim that will later connect both halves. With that done, I start forming the outer shape of the lower part. I leave extra material at the mounting point to keep the lower half secure, then begin hollowing the inside. Once the hollowing is finished, I smooth the inside of the lower half with sandpaper. Now I move on to shaping the upper half of the egg, so I remount the piece in the lathe. To remove some of the material before hollowing, I use a drill. This makes the process easier and leaves less work for the gouge. When hollowing, I try to make the inner cavity as large as possible, which means keeping the walls very thin. Here I need to make sure the opening matches the rim of the lower half, so the two parts fit together cleanly. With both halves joined and mounted in the lathe, I continue shaping the final outer form of the egg. When the outer shape is mostly finished, I sand the surface either with sandpaper or any other method you prefer. I personally use a mini angle grinder. To help the egg stand on its own, I create a small flat surface on the bottom. Before I continue, I sand off the remaining material on the foot. To prevent the egg from opening while I continue turning, I support it from the right side. To finish the top, I secure the piece by gripping it from the inside. I sand the top part as well. With that, the work on the lathe is finished, and we can move on to the next step, applying the finish. For the finish, I'm using a clear water-based lacquer, and I'll be coating only the outside of the egg. Now that the finish is dry, I can fill the inside of the egg with small chocolate treats. The lid fits back on perfectly, and the egg can be opened and closed as many times as you like. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this project, feel free to subscribe for more woodworking videos.